Hi, welcome back to Colsky Jones. Today I want to have a quick look at an all-in-one case for the Parrot ANAFI and do a quick reminder on the Parrot ANAFI update for the app. Hi, welcome back. Just a quick video today. I just wanted to show you this. This is the case that I bought for the ANAFI. I did have a separate case for my controller, but I wanted something that wasn't too big, that held 2 batteries and everything else in there. And this is what I bought. And I think it's really nice. It's like one of them hard case, soft case type things. It's covered in like a grey material, similar to the case. Zip on the side. It's got twin zips that meet in the middle. And it's got like a rubberized handle. It actually feels very good quality. And the inside, it goes like this. So, the ANAFI stays in its original case, but it fits into the slot there. What I like about this is the detail they've gone to. So your controller, not just that it's got a slot to fit in the 2 holes there and the little cutouts here, but it's also got the little cutout in the back to hold it in there. So as you can see, where it goes in, it fits really nicely in. The battery is fitting here. You can even fit your spare props, and there's a place for your cable. Now what I like about this, it's not foam. It's this is like a nylon covered material. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let's have a look. It's like a nylon covered material. It's quite hard wearing. It's like a card underneath it, but it's really nice. It doesn't make it too big. Of course it's bigger than it was, but it's quite slim case, and I do prefer the fact now I've got everything all in one place. The controller's now nice and safe. I like the way they've done that, and I think it's quite a nice finished off piece of kit. You can buy these from Amazon, and I think I paid £16.07 for it. I'm going to put the link below if you want to buy one, or you can get them on eBay, but if you buy it off Amazon, you get it on Prime, it'll come next day and you haven't got the risk. So, just wanted to show you that today. And the other thing I want to do is to remind you to update the app if you haven't. And the main benefits for me for the app is, although it does bracketing and some other stuff, the main things I want to show you is if you now click on your video camera and you click on the 4K, you've now got 2.7K. Maybe should have had that at the beginning, but it's a fantastic feature, and I have tried it out for 2.7 and it looks fantastic, and it takes up less space on your card. And then also the biggest thing for me, and the thing I didn't like about it, was you've now got an altitude return to home of 30 metres instead of 20, but the beauty is before the flight you can set it to whatever you want. It's a little thing, but it's one of the things that bugged me. So just to remind you to do that. I've done the latest update and everything's flying absolutely superb. And also, part of the update I think to the app was also to make it better with this phone. So it was better with a Huawei phone. I haven't really noticed any difference. It's still not great in the signals for me, but I don't really fly with this anymore. I fly with my tablet. And the other thing to remind you, if you haven't already bought them, do buy the follow me mode and buy the waypoints because they are 99p. So, thanks for watching, have a fantastic day and enjoy your flying.
Press start.
Thanks very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please hit the like button and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.